You are going to love the 2020 Camaro. Camaro is developed to be 21st century on every level. From its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tires, front performance. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.